There is a fraction. For everything there is an optimal method. If you spend more time on a question, I spent more time and I make quicker method so that you can clear the examination. There is a fraction numerator by denominator. If I subtract 1 from numerator and 1 from denominator, the value will become 1 by 3. Previous year staff selection commission question. If 1 is added to numerator and 1 is added to denominator, the value will become 1 by 2. Question is, what is the value of numerator plus denominator? What is the value of numerator plus denominator? A is 10, B is 18, C is 7, D is 16. A 10, B 18, C 7, D 16. This is the question. This is the question. Now see here better. Right? You multiply, you will get equations which I am not interested. You multiply, you will get numerator, denominator. If you add both, denominator plus numerator, minus 1 is minus 2. It is 4. It is not 4. It could be 2 by 6 also. So numerator plus denominator, it is of the form 4 into something plus 2. 1 by 3 can be written as 2 by 6. 1 by 3 can be written as 3 by 9. Again, if you add denominator plus numerator, plus 2 equivalent to 3. 3 into k, 3k. So numerator plus denominator, it should be of the form 3k, I will put 3x. 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2, 4k plus 2. 3x minus 2, 4k plus 2. That means answer, if I subtract 2, it should be divisible by 4. 18, yes. 18 minus 2, 16. It should be divisible by 4. 7 minus 2, 5. No. 16 minus 2, 14. No. C and D are eliminated. If I subtract 2, this should be of the form 2 plus 1, 3k minus 2, and it is 4k plus 2. So this is of the form 4 into 2 plus 2. Yes, this is 3 into 3 minus 2. I hope it is clear.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.